Where is the tropical moisture and tropical wave? Well, it's currently situated over the Dominican Republic, and you can see there's not a whole lot going on with it. Fairly uneventful looking. There's some scattered showers, that's about it. But when you look at the other satellite imagery, you can see the plume of tropical moisture there traveling towards the Gulf. So here we go, let's put it in motion. This is Saturday afternoon. That large area of moisture is near Cuba and Florida. It'll start bringing them rain through the weekend. And then here comes that plume of moisture starting to pull into the Gulf of Mexico. So it gets into the Gulf here, and it's going to sit here for several days. This is Monday afternoon. Notice that deeper of the tropical moisture still to our south on Monday, and then it tries to get close to us later Tuesday and into Wednesday. And this is where, if we're going to get rain from it, this is when it would happen. It just depends on how close that tropical moisture can get to us. Now, this is the tropical wave. It is August. We watch these things like a hawk. I promise there's not a second we're not watching this thing. But right now, models are not screaming that this is going to blow up into anything major. Now, we're checking some of the boxes. We've got hot sea surface temperatures. That's a given in the Gulf of Mexico, but especially right now with a lot of Gulf hanging in the upper 80s and even low 90s. Also, when you look into next week around Tuesday and Wednesday, when you look at the wind shear forecast, there's not a whole lot of wind shear in the Gulf of Mexico next week. So some models are trying to develop this into a low pressure. What may help us out is how broad it is and its limited time over water. That's what we want. We don't mind the rain coming from this, but we want it to keep it an unorganized tropical wave. We don't want it developing. So right now, concern level is very, very low. We're going to watch it. Just check in daily to make sure there's no big changes. But one thing I like about this is it might bring us a little extra rain here by Tuesday or Wednesday, and we do need it. It's been so dry, and also it'd help out with the heat if it rained a little more. So 94 today. The low humidity is certainly nice. Tomorrow we'll watch out for a few showers and storms. Could even have a few in the morning. Same thing Saturday and Sunday with some pop-up storms, and then next week we'll keep an eye on that tropical moisture. The marine forecast, smooth sailing today, but notice tomorrow and Saturday winds pick up out in the Gulf. High tides this afternoon, and low tide will happen in the early morning hours.